Everyone, I am Tricia Isabel K. Liva, BSBAMM first year. So today we tackle about informative speech about Max Planck. So this is Max Planck, born in April 23, 1858. Planck studied at the University of Munich and Berlin. The father of Max Planck is Julius Wilhelm von Planck. His father was a professor of constitutional law in the University of Kiel, and his mother's name is Emma Planck. Max Planck came from a traditional intellectual family. He baptized with the name of Karl Ernst Ludwig Marx Planck. Of his given name, Marx, a now obsolete variant of Marcus, or maybe simply an error for Max, which is actually short for Maximilian, was indicated as the appellation name. However, by the age of 10, he signed with the name Max and used this for the rest of his life. Max Planck, a German physicist, is the best known as the originator of quantum theory of the energy, for which he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1918. His work was contributed significantly to the understanding of atomic and subatomic processes. In 1994, Planck turned his attention to the problem of black-body radiation. The problem had been stated by Kirchhoff in 1859.
Black-body radiation law, which described clearly the experimental observed black-body spectrum. It was first proposed in the meeting of the DPG on 19 October 90s and published in 1901.
So, this is Max Planck theory.
And every physical body can emit or absorb energy in distinct amount, and the smallest unit of energy that is absorbed or released in the form of electromagnetic radiation is known as quantum.
This is Wilhelm Wien. Wilhelm. He also formulated an expression for black body radiation, which is correct in photon gas limit. His arguments were based on the notion of adiabatic invariance and were instrument for the formula of quantum mechanics. So that ends our video presentation. And if you have a comment, please comment down below.